comma what? 3, right? And
Yes.
2 comma 7. I want to be sure that I wrote the equation, the values were okay, minus 2 comma 3, 2 comma 7. So I now go ahead to finding what I am asked to find, which is equation. Therefore, our formula y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1
Okay.
is equal to y minus y1 all over x minus x1. Substitution, y2 is 7 minus 3, which is y1, all over 2, and that is x2, minus 2, equal to y minus y1, 3, and the x1 is minus 2, which is makes it plus 2. You can see my work. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 divided by 4 will give me 1, because you can see here that minus 2 minus 2 will give me 4. Am I there? So from what I have written down, this place will give me 1, that is 4 over 4, equal to y minus 3 over x plus 2. So by cross multiplication, I will get that y minus 3 should be equal to x plus 2, making the final answer to be y equal to x plus 5, because minus 3 will go over. And that is the equation that I need, okay? Making my gradient to be equal to 1 and my intercept to be 5. So if there is any question you have, you can ask me. Is it okay?
Yeah.
All right. So
The gradient and the intercept can
in
write the
number
equation to it.
in
No,
number one, go ahead.
once you find the gradient and the intercept, you can find the equation from there.
Yes. If you want to find the gradient and the intercept, you can find it from this equation. So the gradient here now is 3, while the intercept is minus 1.
Mm-hmm.
So once that equation is formed, you can look at the equation and pick your gradients and the intercept, especially when it is formed in gradient intercept form. It makes it very simple for you to see the two at once.
Okay.
Yeah, set to number 4.
Y equals 2x minus 3. Wait, do you want me to say it with the gradient and the intercept?
No, just the equation as the question has asked is okay.
Okay.
2x plus
Y equals 2x minus 3.
minus 3. Number 5.
Y equals 2x minus 7.
Y equals to 2x minus 7. Number 6.
Y equals 3x minus 1.
3x minus 5. And the number 7.
No, 3x minus 1.
3x minus 1. Okay. So corrected. Number 7.
Y equals 3x.
3x. Only 3x there.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are your answers. 2x, number 4, 2x minus 1 equal to minus 3. Then 2x minus 7. Okay, so in these numbers 4 and the 5, they are correct. Then your
How many
number 2 marks each.
Okay.
Your number 6 is 3x minus 1 and y equal to 3x. Both of them are also very correct. 3x minus 1 and 3x. So this is a 8 out of 8. So we can now grade your total performance for today's lesson. So in the first one, pardon?
16 over 16.
Okay. So the other one was 8 out of 8, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so therefore, that is a 100%. So it's a good one, 16 out of 16, which translates to 100%.